Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to discuss the most important general knowledge MCQs for PPSC exams. We have prepared a complete preparation course for you in which every important topic is covered in detail. If you prepare topic by topic, your chances of performing well in the exam will be much higher. If you get this complete course, simply contact us on the WhatsApp number below. We will provide you with the complete in PDF format. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe now and turn on the notification bell so you can be the first to know whenever I upload a new video. So without any further delay, let's start today's video.
Which international organization holds its annual General Assembly session in New York every year? Option A, NATO. Option B, United Nations, UN. Option C, World Bank. Option D, IMF. The correct answer is United Nations, UN.
Next question.
Which space agency launched the James Webb Space Telescope for deep space observation? Option A, NASA. Option B, ESA. Option C, Roscosmos. Option D, ISRO. The correct answer is NASA.
Next question.
What is the official currency used across most European Union member nations? Option A, Swiss franc. Option B, pound sterling. Option C, dollar. Option D, euro. The correct answer is euro.
Next question.
Which country is the world's largest exporter of crude oil? Option A, Saudi Arabia. Option B, Venezuela. Option C, Russia. Option D, United States. The correct answer is Saudi Arabia.
Next question.
Where is the headquarters of the International Monetary Fund, IMF, located? Option A, Washington, D.C. Option B, Geneva. Option C, New York. Option D, London. The correct answer is Washington, D.C.
Next question.
Which global technology alliance is responsible for the Android operating system? Option A, Google. Option B, Meta. Option C, Apple. Option D, Microsoft. The correct answer is Google.
Next question.
Which international treaty aims to restrict global warming below 2 degrees Celsius? Option A, Paris Climate Agreement. Option B, Kyoto Protocol. Option C, Montreal Accord. Option D, Geneva Convention. The correct answer is Paris Climate Agreement.
Next question.
What is the official central bank of the United States? Option A, U.S. Treasury. Option B, Bank of America. Option C, World Reserve Bank. Option D, Federal Reserve System. The correct answer is Federal Reserve System.
Next question.
Which country is currently the most populous nation in the world? Option A, Indonesia. Option B, India. Option C, China. Option D, United States. The correct answer is India.
Next question.
Which company developed the ChatGPT artificial intelligence language model? Option A, Meta AI. Option B, Anthropic. Option C, OpenAI. Option D, Google DeepMind. The correct answer is OpenAI.
Next question.
Where is the permanent headquarters of the World Health Organization, WHO? Option A, Geneva, Switzerland. Option B, Paris, France. Option C, Vienna, Austria. Option D, Brussels, Belgium. The correct answer is Geneva, Switzerland.
Next question.
Which global economic forum takes place annually in Davos, Switzerland? Option A, World Economic Forum, WEF. Option B, G7 Summit. Option C, BRICS Summit. Option D, G20 Summit. The correct answer is World Economic Forum, WEF.
आई होप आप लोगों को ये वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। तो जिन दोस्तों ने मेरा चैनल सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया वो जल्दी से जाके मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें ताकि आने वाली हर न्यू अपडेट्स आपको मिल सके।